My high went down to low. Yeah, take it out! Slow down! Good job! Catch it up to Cody.
Look at that damn.
Good hit, TJ.
Hey, we need a new third base guy.
Hang on, Cody.
Yeah, Cody's up. Let's watch him.
It actually rolled out.
I can't get a double.
Thank you. So, have you heard of
Andrew Ribby.
What? You guys do?
Let's go, Cody.
we work so much?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cody!
Oh gosh. One of our
Good hit, Cody!
I feel like. Let's see, who's Swinnerton on with us?
I'm on deck. Last hit. More quick.
God.
I'm trying to do my best. Hang on a minute.
You on Petco or are you on Miller Hall?
No. Like,
What are you on right now? I don't know if we're on anything with you right now, but I am accounts payable, so I like always
See all this stuff?
Yeah, see Swinnerton.
it's okay, missed it! Go! Nobody's there!
Home run!
Easy up there. Easy up there.
So like we're doing airborne, the indoor skydiving,
Okay.
blue sky, the apartments on B, and